Hi, everyone. I tried to tell a joke over a Zoom call. Turns out I'm not remotely funny. What is an entrepreneur? So what is an entrepreneur? Well, 100 years ago, Joseph Schumpeter said an entrepreneur is a person with a great idea and no money. So we're going to talk about some money. How about $2.5 million in profit per day? How do we get there? $25 license fee times 1,000 pieces per day times 100 labs. Let's talk about the eyewear market. It's a $200 billion market projected to go to $340 billion in 5 years. Why? Because we're all getting older and everyone's addicted to their screens. We're going to talk about the new economy, which is sustainable manufacturing with digital on-demand production. We can use a metaphor from the auto industry. What do you guys see here? We see around $10 million of tied inventory capital sitting on the lot depreciating before it can be sold. How would you solve this problem? Well, we know how they solve it because Tesla has already solved it. They have a showroom and an app. You pick the color, the wheels, the battery, the motor, you pay for it. And in 2 weeks, it's delivered from their smart factory. I'm a third-generation optician. My grandfather had an optical lab back in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Back in those days, they had a tool and a mold for every single lens prescription. It was an inventory and SKU nightmare. But 25 years ago, the Germans figured out how to solve this with digital manufacturing. Now, brands like Hoya and Zeiss and Nikon send their digital design to the lab. And when your doctor orders you a Zeiss lens, the lab makes it. They pay Zeiss a $30 license fee. And they do this 1,000, 2,000 times every day. This is my first startup. It's called Chemistry Clip-On. We scaled this to 50,000 retail doors in 5 years. It's a magnetic clip that fits any frame. How did we scale? We leveraged that lab channel I just showed you. The lab guy said to me, "Dennis, we love your clip-on. What else can you sell us that we can plug into our digital manufacturing to make even more money?" So 15 years ago, I moved to China to study manufacturing of frames, and what I found shocked me. The big brands are spending $10 million a year or more per brand, tying up their capital because all the factories use outdated technology based on molds with a high MOQ and a long lead time. It's a traditional industry ready for disruption, and here's how we do it. We have an AI-powered tech stack, streamlining everything from design to retail to production. Our system lets brands upload their styles. Our AI converts it to a rendering. It's shown in the shop with our kiosks. It's manufactured by a smart factory. Consumers get the brands that they love in the style and color that fits. Our secret sauce, 50,000 AI data training sets, biometric scans, facial analysis, cuts down the time you need to pick the right style and makes it fit perfectly just for you. How do we make money? 3 ways. Number 1, smart factory systems. Number 2, AI-powered kiosks. Number 3, unit licenses. With only 100 manufacturers in 5 years, we're projecting $300 million in annual revenue by the 5th year. So how do you de-risk a startup? Start with a deep industry network. Second, we have a backlog of demand. These labs are already waiting in line with LOIs for our smart factory. Our secret sauce of AI data training sets that's not available in the market cannot be copied. We have early traction with our 40 kiosks generating thousands of orders in 12 different countries. And our competitors already have a beachhead. They're trying to do virtual try-on and Instagram filters at the top of the supply chain. We own the entire process from end to end. Our dream team has a successful track record of launching products in this industry, and we have prior wins. So we're seeking $6 million for AI compute, automation of our supply chain to add our first 10 factory partners. The whole lab industry is constrained by these 300 labs. My clip-on is in 200 of them. The top ones by volume, this is the daily output. So if you look at Zeiss, for example, that's 10,000 pieces a day. $25 per piece. That's $250,000 a day from just one customer. And at the top, you can see our design app, which is AI-powered, scanning your face, letting you pick the brand and style you want. And the bottom, you can see our AI-powered smart factory. Thanks, you guys. Any questions?
Thank you. We'll start with...
Do you guys control the mode or is it your clients control the mode? And the reason why I ask this is because I feel the AI glasses with like the lens and everything is going to be a thing. So it's like a non-invasive way for you to kind of see the world with AI inbuilt, right? And you can chat to it and you have microphones and everything. So I'm just wondering if you can apply that.
Yeah, we do smart glasses. The benefit is that our whole entire ecosystem is mold-free, so you don't have to order 500. You can order one piece with the smart AI sensors and cameras and speakers embedded.
Oh, so one thing I do know about the glasses and sunglasses industry is it's Luxottica is the biggest company there. And they've got the licenses for pretty much every single fashion brand under the moon. Like, you know, it's crazy. I'm kind of curious, considering that glasses are seen very much as a fashion item, how do you compete against them?
That's a great question. So right now, Luxottica has to spend tens of billions of dollars on their stock. So why would they spend $10 billion buying from a factory in China when we can supply them every 2 weeks? So we're not going to be their competitor. They're going to be our customer and probably our exit.
I think among all teams here today, right, you're asking for the biggest CapEx among all, right, $6 million US. So just brief us a bit more on how you're going to spend the money, and particularly, I want to know what sort of AI compute you require to build your business.
Okay, so we're using the money to build a smart factory, like you see in the video at the bottom, at the cyberport. Hong Kong government is giving us a 2-for-1 matching grant to put that automation technology right here. About 30% is used for AI compute. The other 70% is used for hardware and team development.
You're saying like a
Cloud compute, yeah. And the AI runs everything from design selection to biometric analysis to CAD/CAM generation. So all the components in the supply chain are automated.
What is your target market, like location-wise, globally?
So the global industry for optical lenses is North America, South America, Europe, the Middle East, and India, a little bit of China. So those are the companies that we're targeting to sell our smart factory to. Domestic, localized, distributed production is the future. Right now, everyone's leaving China. Deglobalization, the trade war, tariffs, everyone's running for the exits. Because the labor cost is so high in those foreign countries, automation is the only game in town. Thank you, guys.